Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear. This is HP DESKJET 4120E printer. This gear is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1 if you like. In the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer. What we're going to do is load the paper tray and also show you how to connect, how to complete the alignment head. Right now this printer, turn it around. From the back here, the power cable, 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging. It goes in here. This spot here is for USB cable. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. We have this at Vinetech store, free delivery. It goes in here, and the USB can go here. The rest will go back to the PC. And this is the rear paper tray. We load particular paper you want, 4x6 A4 paper, which we are going to load. Various sizes of paper right here. So I'm going to get A4 paper. You can also load photo paper. At the moment, what we want to do is load A4 paper. So you just need to go in, straight in, and adjust it with the holder. Okay, and also you have this is the automatic document feed. So this is how to load the paper tray. Okay, now I'm going to turn this around. Here is the scanner, flat-bed scanner. Load particular document ID card you want on top of the scanner and select the function from right here, and it will do the job at the moment. It will do the job straight away. So this is the flat-bed scanner. Beautiful stuff. I'm also going to bring the camera close and show you and explain to you about the features. So you turn this printer on and off from right here. This button here is for you to copy black. This button here is for you to copy color. This is LCD screen. Inside this LCD screen we see 2 lines for the ink cartridges gauge is full up. This is to show you that it's full up. This is the 0. 0 is when you want to copy document, it will change to different number. This is Wi-Fi recession, and this is the Wi-Fi button. You can see it's a steady blue light. When we connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, it was flashing, but once you connected, it will be steady. And this is information button. It will ask you to press this to identify your proximity. This button here is for you to resume, and this button here is for you to cancel. So this is the features for this printer from right here. And this printer, like I mentioned, is using ink cartridges. 305 ink cartridges is what is using. 305 ink cartridges. And the ink cartridges, you just need to open it up right here. Once you open it up, the ink cartridges holder will come right in the middle. Here we go. It does this automatically. For you to change it, check my video how we loaded the ink. If you just need to press it down, press down and remove it. If you want to install it, just go in straight and push it upwards. Push it up. You hear a click sound and just close it. It will move away from the middle and go to the side. Right now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. What I want to show you is step by step how to complete the alignment head. We have loaded the A4 paper here. Is what we loaded. Now for us to complete the alignment, when you get a new printer, you need to complete the alignment so that this printer will function properly. So we'll go back to HP. This printer is connected to HP Smart App. So we'll go back to the HP Smart App. So open a HP Smart App. Okay, and right now I can see this printer is right here. Okay, right now I can see a warning sign for us to complete alignment. Alignment required. So what you need to do is just scroll down and click on the printer. Once you want to complete the alignment, you can see new HP cartridges is installed. So right now, the next alignment recommended, load plain white A4 paper or letter size. So click on the alignment. Okay, now ask us click continue. And once you click continue, it will take you outside HP Smart App. But you need to continue to printer setup settings. Click go ahead. Now it will bring out this warning sign. Your connection is private. Go back to safety, but I will encourage you to click advance. Okay, once you click advance, then click proceed. And once you click proceed, it will take you to HP. Here we go. Run maintenance tool to improve the printing quality of your printer. So you will see diagnostic report, align printhead, clean smear head, clean printhead. So what we need to do is align printhead. And once you click align printhead, it will start to print alignment paper. So with this printer, I can print 8.5 prints per minute. What it's doing right now is printing the alignment head. It improved the printer's quality. Okay, here we go. Now what you need to do is you need to wait for the instruction. Okay, it will ask you to place this. It will ask you to place it down. Here we go. Okay, now place the alignment page face down to the scanner. Open the scanner up and place. Okay, and place the alignment paper. Once you place it, the next thing you need to do is make sure you close it. Okay, and click OK. Now it's saying alignment failed, so we need to click OK. We need to do this again. Sometimes you need to follow the instructions straight away. So what we need to do is print alignment head. Okay, so we need to print this alignment head again. If it's completed, you will see a green good mark to tell you that it's done properly. Okay, now open it up, place it right here, close it, click OK. Here we go. You can see good green, good mark. Alignment successful. Recycle or discard the alignment page. So right now this printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. We loaded the paper tray, load the ink cartridges, complete the alignment page, click OK, and this printer is right now ready. Okay, and remove this. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is how to load the paper tray and complete alignment head. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe, smash the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. I will appreciate it. Thank you.